Hey guys, I absolutely love the buzz we get around this time of year, but I also know just how easy it can be to let go of our usual routines in favour of attending all those social events, as well as keeping on top of everyday life. So if you're eager to remain active over the holidays, here are my quick tips. It's possibly the busiest time of the year, so the key is to plan ahead. Get exercise in your diary or on your planner, just like a meeting, at a time when you know that nothing else can get in the way. If you're planning to spend more time with your loved ones this month, try meeting friends or family for activities like walks, bike rides, ice skating, or even a run to help keep your body moving over the festive period.
A useful trick is to prepare your workout gear the night before. Think warm but breathable layers. Will you need hand warmers, waterproofs, or anything else? Try leaving your workout gear so that it's easily accessible for you to reach the next morning.
If you can't face going outside because, well, it's freezing, which is totally fair enough, why not try a home workout? There are tons on the WW app, whether it's yoga, a HIIT class, or a strength session. These can all be as good as heading outside in the colder months. And remember, dancing at the Christmas party counts as exercise too. And last of all, why not set yourself a challenge? Try aiming for 10,000 steps every day until the 25th. Or you could join your coaches in a 5-day squat challenge. Start by doing 5 squats, then build up each day by 5 so that you end the challenge on 25 squats. Do whatever you're able to, and you can change this to arm raises or even sit-ups if you prefer. Challenges help keep us motivated over challenging times such as the festive season. Best of luck everyone, and enjoy moving your body.